In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limits on your Trello lists. Now, if you've been using Trello for managing tasks or projects, you know how lists can sometimes get overwhelming. Setting a limit on the number of cards in a list can help keep things under control. Let's walk through these steps to activate and set limits on your Trello lists. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to the Boards section in Trello. This is a centralized area where you can see all your boards, both personal and team-related. You'll find it by clicking on the Boards button, and from there, make your way to the Workspaces section. Take a minute here to locate the specific board where you're planning to set these list limits. Once you have it, go ahead and click to open that board. Now that you're inside the board, the next step is to look for the Power-Ups option. Power-Ups are essentially tools that add extra functionality to your boards. So find the Power-Ups button and give it a click. You'll then see an Add Power-Ups option, which opens a directory of all the available tools you can use. Here, you have two options. You can browse through the list, or if you're like me and you want to get straight to the point, just use the search bar. In the search bar, type in List Limits and wait a few moments for the results to come up. Once you see the List Limits option, click on Add to activate this feature on your board. With that done, you can close the Power-Ups menu. Congratulations, you now have list limits set up and ready to go. The next step is to actually apply a limit to a specific list. So navigate back to the board and find the list where you want to set a cap. On the top right corner of the list, there's going to be an icon with 3 dots, kind of like an ellipsis. Click on those dots and it'll open up more options for you. From this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Set List Limit. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a number. Essentially, this number represents the maximum number of cards you'll allow in that list. Think carefully about your workflow and type in a number that fits best. Once you've decided, just hit Save to lock it in. And there you have it. You've successfully set a card limit for your Trello list. What's great is that these limits are not rigid, they're flexible and open to change. As your project evolves, feel free to adjust the limits to suit your needs better. It's an effective strategy to keep your tasks organized and manageable. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and happy organizing!